The most important thing is turning up every day and creating, blocking out that time and being consistent. I think success comes over time with the consistency. I'm Chiquita, Jac for short. I'm living in Auckland, New Zealand. I grew up in a small town called Gisborne. I'm making motion graphics templates. I sort of come from a graphic design background. Before that, I did photography, so I sort of went from photography, graphic design, and then I started, after a few years, got interested in making things move and animate. I see motion design as quite a great extension and progression from graphic design. It draws on a lot of the same skills. Motion graphics template is typically a sequence or a title, or it could be a transition, it can be used for lower thirds. You can just import it into Premiere Pro, drag and drop it onto the timeline and fill out your titles and everything. It gives editors the ability to be able to use professional animated titles in their work without having to have knowledge of After Effects in order to go and build them themselves. It could be high-end editors with big budget, but it could be the DIY people that just want to create their own promos. My creative process, well, it starts with coffee, then maybe a walk. Inspiration can come from so many different places. The things I'm drawn to, like tactile things, natural materials. When I look back, even my photography was sort of that style, like quite moody, there was a softness to it. I like capturing things and then altering them. Sometimes I'll see something static and you can kind of just imagine how that could animate. It's a bit addictive. To my younger self, I would say, follow your passions. You want to be doing something you enjoy and don't expect to be awesome at the beginning. It takes a lot of time, which is great. It's part of the journey. Adobe Stock's given me sort of like a space to create and take the time to really hone my skills as a motion designer. I'm really lucky. I've been well supported by the community of people that buys my things. I've got so many more projects on the go, new templates coming out. Always got lots of ideas, lots of different areas I want to explore. It's my happy place, so I'm just going to keep on creating.